In order to make your raisin infused rum, you're going to want a good quality gold rum, and you can pour in as much as you like. I usually use either a half bottle or a half-litre measure for this, because I don't use that much of this in drinks, but it is very useful to have around. And you're going to need raisins, of course. So grab your raisins, and what you're going to do is you are simply going to stab these onto a cocktail stick like that to pick them up. This obviously makes it easier for you to transfer them to the jar, but it also makes sure that you've split that raisin, and it will help the flavour to leach out much more effectively. So you just keep spearing them like that, and then adding them in to the rum until you've got as many as you like for the size of batch that you're going to do. So for a half bottle, roughly the amount that I've just shown you, you'll do it anymore, and you're going to need some more. That goes in there, and then what you do is you just seal your airtight container, give it a bit of a swirl around, and then you're going to go need to put this somewhere safe and cozy, dry and warm, like the pantry or your airing cupboard again, and leave that for, I would say, 5 to 7 days, but you can obviously taste this each day and see where you're up to with the flavour. So now you're going to need to strain off the raisins from the liquid. What I suggest you do is use either cheesecloth or a coffee filter like this, and pour the liquid into a funnel like so, and allow that to drain through. Obviously you can take out the raisins from the rum using a slotted spoon or whatever, but to be fair, this system will catch all of those anyway as you pour it into the funnel. So there you go. All that remains to happen there is for that to drain through the filter, and you're going to have raisin infused rum over this side in the bottle, and then obviously you'll be left with some really rather tasty plump raisins that are soaked with rum. So you can of course keep those to one side and eat those as a snack, which is really rather nice, or use them as a cocktail garnish. I sometimes put them onto a cocktail stick and put it in the drink itself. But there you go, that's how you make raisin infused rum.